Don't color on the walls.
But I didn't.
That's today's phrase of the day. Oh!
Okay, I didn't know you started it. And so I was just like confused.
Have you ever colored on the walls?
Maybe above my bunk bed.
Oh, I forgot. Recently you colored on the walls. Was I thrilled?
Like it was like a giant stick man with like a body.
Why?
And then it's a Darian and an arrow pointing to him. It was like.
And when I saw it, what was your face? I think your face was.
It's like.
And then who had to clean it up? You. I didn't clean it up. I can't even climb up there. Did you clean it up? Yes. Don't color on the wall.
Why are you shaking?
Don't color on the wall. If you want to follow along,
now.
oh, that's disgusting. People don't want to see your foot. That's gross. If you want to follow along with our phrase of the day calendar, not
Phrase
Darian's
of
foot,
the day
comment
calendar.
or DM us below.
Oh, and now enough of that.
And we're gonna choose to do this phrase in one language.
Okay, so we're gonna push this phrase today.
You pushed it so soon. Chinese Mandarin.
Okay, so if you have the book, she's gonna show you it. If you have the app, she's gonna show you how to go there. And you gotta not make a mistake because then you won't listen to right, and then your head will turn into a lemon.
I'm gonna go to.
I cannot make up this stuff.
I think that you can follow along just fine. So if you already have the book, you have access to the app, and you go to C, and then you'll head over to color.
Color. Which one's color?
Right there.
Where? Oh yeah, no.
And then the phrase is don't color. Yeah, lots of things for coloring because kids like to color. Don't. And we have a whole talk box dedicated to arts and crafts. And by the end of it, you're making videos in the language explaining how to color things or draw things.
Like red right here. Is it the light?
Maybe. Are you wearing makeup? Are you wearing a little eye
No,
makeup?
I'm not.
I know you're not.
I'm really tired.
Don't color on the wall. Here we go.
I think it's my allergies.
不
Boo.
要
Yao.
在
Zai.
墙
Xiang.
上
Shang.
涂
Tu.
色，
Se.
不要在墙上涂色。
I think she said poons, so I said poons.
Let's hear it again. So we don't do Chinese when you're just starting.
It sounds like crazy. I think I'm allergic.
It sounds wonderful, but it just takes a while to catch on to
Yeah.
it. We'll pause for the full phrase so those of you doing it at home can say it without us interrupting you. So we'll be quiet after she says the full phrase so they can say it. But let's try our best on the slow words. And when you're just starting something like this, doing it word by word is just fine, like a small child. Here we go.
I want to challenge.
I want to challenge you to listen a little harder.
Okay.
Because I know you can. Are you ready?
Wait. I want to challenge the people.
To listen hard too?
No. One thing. You have to say it holding your breath the whole entire time. I can do it.
Okay, here we go.
不
Boo.
要
Yao.
在
Zai.
墙
Xiang.
上
Shang.
涂
Tu.
色，
Se.
不要在墙上涂色。
That was a good try.
纸
And
I was pausing for people at home to do it.
Yeah.
But you gave it a good try.
and-
Now, when you're just starting,
and-
it's
and-
important to
and-
celebrate. Even if it doesn't sound perfect, it's good to
yeah.
celebrate.
And if you think you did good or tell
did
us
well,
your
yeah.
opinion, you comment down below. It's just right down there. So close. Just right down there.
All right, Darian needs to go outside now. All right, everybody have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.